Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 4 of the same topic, that is the playing with numbers. So here we'll see the chapter innings. So here they have asked find A and B in this one. So this is 9. So if we are taking here, suppose we have 1. Here is 8. So that can be 9. But if we take here 1, again if we take here 1, because here also is A, but then this cannot be 0 because this will be 3, but here is 0. So what we have to do, we have to take here 8 and 1. So this is going to be 9 because here is 0. Now this will be 8. So this will be 10. And again this 2 and 6, this is going to be 8. So that works. So A is 8, B is 1. So now here the next one, find out a 3-digit number ABC where A, B and C are prime numbers and the number ABC is divisible by each of the three numbers by each of the three numbers, that is the A, B and C. So now we have to consider, suppose we are taking here we have to take the prime numbers. So if we take here 2, 3 and 5, these are the prime numbers. So now if 2, 3 and 5, we have to see whether these are divisible. See here 2, 3 and 5, they are not divisible by all 2, 3 and 5. If we take here, so here what did they say? Number ABC is divisible by each of the three numbers, that is ABC. If we take here 2, now here see here, this is not divisible by 2 because here the unit place is 5. If we take here 2, 3, 5, this number by 3, 3 sevens are 21 and here 25. Again this is not also divisible by 3. So now if we take by 5, 2, 3, 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 sevens are 35. So it is divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 2 and 3. They said it should be by each of the three numbers, but it should be divisible by all three. So we cannot take 2, 3, 5. Now if we take here the prime numbers, this will be 3, 5, 7, the number 3, 5, 7. So again we will check with 3, 5, 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3. This is 5. 3 ones are 3. This is 27. 3 nines are 27. It is divisible by 3. But then this is not divisible by 5 because the second number is 5. Because here is 7. In 5, when the divisibility rule, it should be either 0 or 5. So this is not divisible by 5. Then if you take for 7, yeah, it will be divisible by 7. 7 5s are 7. 5s are 25 and 7 1s are 7. But it is not divisible by 5. So it should be divisible by all the three numbers. So not divisible by all three numbers. So we cannot take this number. Now if we take now 735. So if we take here, we'll see for 7. 735, it will be divisible by 7. You can check with that one. Then with 3, 735 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 13, 3 4s are 12. And this will be 15. 3 5s are 15. So it is also divisible by 3. Then with 5, 735, of course it will be divisible by 5. This last is 5. 5 1s are 5, 23, 5 4s are 20, and this will be 35. 5 7s are 35. So it is divisible by all three numbers. So we can consider this 735. Therefore, 3-digit number that is divisible by A, B, and C is 735. Now here, if 3, 7, A and 6 is a multiple of 3, where A is a digit, the digit means there will be some number over here. What are the possible values of A? So the number to be divisible by this multiple of 3. A number is a multiple of 3. The sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. So now sum of its digit means you have to add all this one. So 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6, that will be 16 plus 8. So now we'll start, if in place of a, let us put 2. 16 plus 2, that is going to be 18. That is divisible by 3 because 18 is divisible by 3. Now here, if we put here 16 plus 5, that will be 21. So it will be 21 will be divisible by 3. Now if we take 16 plus 8, that is 24. That also is divisible by 3. So what we can say, they said, what are the possible values of a? So now these all three numbers are divisible by 3. So possible values of a are, we are added 2, 5 and 8. So 2, 5 and 8. Place the digits 1 to 9 so that the 3 digits in each of the lines add up to 18. So from this one we have to take 3 digits. So now if we are taking here, when you add all, it should be 18. So if we take here 7 plus 6 plus 5, when you add all these 3, it is going to be 18. If it should be 21. In this one, when you add, it should be 21. So the number should be in between this 1 to 9. So it will be, if we take 9 plus 8 plus 4. So this is going to be, when you add all this one, that is going to be 21. Find the value of the unknowns. Unknowns means now here A, B, C and this D. So now we have to see here, see now this is 15 and this is 2 means it should be, now 15 means it should be 22. 15 plus 7 is 22. So C is going to be 7. So 22 means 2 will be here. So now what will be here? 9, 10, 9, 10 and 12. 12 and this is 3 means it should be 13. So here A will be 1. So that will be 13. 13 means the remainder here is 1. So 1 plus 3, that is going to be 4. 4 means this B is going to be 0. Now look at here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means here 0 and this is the remainder is 1. So this is 1. So D also should be 0. Now we have to subtract this one. 5. Now again we have to find the value of A, B, C and D. These are the unknowns. So now here is 8 and here is 5. So we have to borrow over here. So this is going to be 15 and this will be 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. So here C is 7. So now here you have borrowed 1 here and the remainder is 1. So this should be, actually should be 9 and then 1 is gone, but A will be 9. So A is 9 and then later on it becomes 8. So if we take from here, this is going to be 18 and this is going to be 2. So now here you need 5. So here it's going to be 12. 12 minus, this is going to be, you need 5 over here. So here is actually 13. So here will be, you need 8. So now here, so this becomes 6. And 6 minus 2, this is going to be 4. So the D is 4. Again, I will repeat here, this should be 15. So now this will be 15 means this is going to be here 8. This is going to be 7 because here is 8. 8 and this will be here because the original number should be 9. Here A should be 9. So because then it becomes to 8. This is 1. Now this will be here 5 means you have to borrow from here. This is going to be 13. This is going to be 6. So this is going to be 8. 13 minus 8 is going to be 5. And this will be 6 minus 2 is going to be 4. So these are the numbers. Now look at here, we need A and B. This is 0 means it should be 10. So this should be 3. And here, so this will be here. This will be 3. So 10 means 1 is carried over here. 5 plus 1 is 6, so this should be plus 2, that is going to be 8. So B is 2 and A is 3. Now here 1481001A095 is divisible by 11. So where A is some digit, we don't know what the number is here. So what are the possible values of A? So it should be divisible by 11. So number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits of odd position and the sum of digits are at even position is 11. So what are the odd positions here? So here odd numbers are, so we can also take even first or odd first. We'll take here even 4, 1. These are the even position. Second position 4, 6, 8, and this is the 10th one. So this, when you add all this one, so this is what is given over here, that is 11. And the odd one, you're going to add this one. These all. So when you add this all, you get 18 plus A is in here. So now what will you get here? This is the difference of the sum of the odd position and the sum of, so you are going to take odd position minus even position. Odd position is 18 plus A, and you are going to subtract the even position, that is just 11. So 18 minus 11, that is going to be 7 plus A. So now if we take A as 1, so what will be here? In place of A, you are going to put 1. So 7 plus 1, that is 8. That is not divisible by 11. If we take A as 2, so here what will be that? 7 plus 2, that is 9. Also, it is not divisible by 11. If you take A as 3, so 7 plus 3, that is 10, also is not divisible by 11. So if we take A as 4, that will be 11, and that is divisible by 11. So we can say possible value of A is 4. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.